food. Jerry, tell me about this party. Hello. Early bird going on, yeah, rock. Alright, show us the food. 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 A lot of food. More food. And there's more food over there. And there's dessert here. And then there's more food here. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a lot of food. And there's Josh.
That's good.
Josh, tell me about your party. So far, so good?
Well, this is year number 14, and it's going pretty smoothly.
So far.
I think we're expecting definitely 100 plus, probably 150.
How many people are here like right now, do you think?
I'm going to say 80. Is that...
There's people outside, don't forget that. Oh, and there's some outside. I don't think we're going to have a good, in the dark, we won't be able to see it, but anyway, we can do it later again, though. Fun! Look at all that.